Welcome back to Cooking with Grandpa. Today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. The kids love them. Okay, I'm going to give you a list of the ingredients. This is to make 48 cookies. We have 6 ounces of butter, 5 ounces and 5 ounces of brown and white sugar, so that's 10 ounces altogether. And salt is added to there, a half a teaspoon. We have 2 eggs, and we're going to add a little vanilla to that. And we have over here 10 ounces of pastry flour and baking soda, half a teaspoon added to that, and sift it together. I usually sift it about 4 times. And then we have 10 ounces of chocolate chip chips that we're going to add at the end. Okay, we'll start now. We preheated our oven. We're preheating it now to 375. And now we're going to take our butter, and this is the creaming method. We put in our 6 ounces of butter. That's a stick and a half. We're going to throw in our 10 ounces of sugar. That's 2/3 of a cup each sugar, brown and white. And the salt is mixed into that sugar, half a teaspoon. We're going to put this on here and we're going to cream it. Now this is the creaming method, but we don't want it really add up with a lot of air in it, so we just want to cream it a little bit. We want to get this creamed up a little bit. Okay, so we've done this about 4 minutes maybe, and you can see the consistency of the cream. Now we're going to put in 1 egg at a time and continue creaming. Don't go too fast with the eggs because you'll have it curdle on it. Throw a teaspoon of vanilla in there. Keep creaming. Simple. After the first egg is creamed in a little, we're going to stop the thing, stop the mixer. Hold on, we're going to wipe down our sides, mixing bowl. Make sure we're creaming good. Go back again. No faster than the speed do I have? About 6 feet. Now we're going to place our second egg. Okay, as you can see, I added the second egg, and it started to curdle on me a little bit, so I just threw a couple of fingertips full of flour into it. I don't want it to curdle. And here you see it's creamed up pretty good right now. Okay, put the mixer back on to stir, and we're going to throw in our flour. Mix that up pretty good. You get it nice and blended. Now you've got your flour blended in. Pretty good. Now you add your chocolate chip. Mix that in a little bit. And there you have it. That's the whole batter. That's good. We'll shut this off now and we'll start to pan them out. Okay, we got our dough all mixed up. Now we're going to pan it out. Okay, well, I'm going to show you a little trick. I use the back of a sheet pan as my cookie sheet. So I have a flat surface to work on. This is going to make 48 cookies. If you want to make half of this, it'll be okay. We're making a lot because we have a lot of grandkids. I scoop it out like that. I put 12 on the sheet. You got to give them room because they spread. You just leave them there like that. 3, 4. Pop this in the oven. 375. 10 minutes. Then I take it out and leave it on the sheet pan for 3 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is up on this batch. Let's see. Now I take this out and I'm going to leave this on here for 3 minutes on the hot sheet pan. I got my next sheet pan ready to go, and that's going to go in here. 10 minutes. Okay, now this has been on that hot sheet for about 3 more minutes. Now I'm just slipping it off onto a cookie sheet and let it cool down. And we'll get ready for the next one. Okay, showing you again. I just take the ones that are laying there for 3 minutes on that. I put it on the cooling rack now and let it cool down. Okay, this is our last batch that's going to go in. We got 36 done already. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 41 cookies total. I guess I went a little heavy on some of them. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Here we go.